Welcome. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll be showing you how to restore deleted photos and videos on Google Photos. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, go ahead and open up Google Photos if you have the application. If not, you can go ahead and open up your favorite browser and just go to photos.google.com. And then once done, just hit on enter, wait for it to load, and once it loads, go ahead over to the top left, tap on the three horizontal lights, and then just go ahead and scroll all the way down until you find archive or trash. Okay, so just tap on it, wait for it to load, and you'll be able to see the list of photos and videos that you have recently deleted. Now, if you want to restore it, just tap on a specific file and just tap on restore. Okay, now items can be recovered within 60 days if backed up. If it's not backed up, well, it will be 30 days. So make sure that you check your trash regularly if you want to restore some files. Okay, check your archives as well. You may have other deleted or archived photos and videos, okay, that you can tap and just tap on restore. And there you have it. Those are the ways to restore your deleted photos and videos on Google Photos. Now, let's say you have removed or completely deleted the files from archived or trash. Well, unfortunately, that's unrecoverable, okay? I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.